HackerRank. This is one of the best online platform where you can get certified, prepare for interview, learn any sort of programming language and solve the problems. So the problems will be in a very systematic manner. In this series, we are going to learn and practice Python related programs and compete with the millions of competitors across the world. Signing up is very straightforward. Click on sign up button and choose who you are and go for relevant action. Here I am signing up as a developer. Enter your name, email and password in the sign up page and click on create an account button. Answer few of the basic questions and yeah, you can skip if you want to. This is your dashboard. Let's go to LeaderBoard and check the Python practice content. There you can see your name, your rank, your country and your score. Rank will fluctuate every day, in fact every minute. My country is blank now, so let's add it. Go to profile section on the top right corner. Here you can describe yourself, your professional degree, certificate and lot more sections are provided within your profile section. I simply click on complete profile button which is provided on top. I will correct my name and I'll scroll down. I'll choose my country, that is India, and I'll save my profile. Go back to LeaderBoard and check your country whether it's updated or not. Now it's successfully updated, so is your rank. Let's go to practice module. Here scroll down and choose your language. Here we are preferring Python, and there you go, we have a list of problems listed under Python practice section. Here every day we are going to pick one problem, and as we keep on solving the problem our rank will come down and we will go up.